Hello and welcome back to Xirosoft. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to carve text in Photoshop. So let's get started. At first, select the text or text layer to carve. Then right-click the text layer and select Wrap Text, and then a pop-up window will appear. Change the style to one of your liking. I'm going to stick with a basic arc. Increase the band amount if you want a sharper curve and decrease it if you want something more subtle. You can also play around with the distortion if you want that kind of look. Okay, so here you go. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Xirosoft. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.